Guys, this is Molly. You say hello? Yeah? I love you. This is my doggo. She's the best. This is the Hel On Heels dog. What's up, boo? You gonna chill here while I do my video? Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Helen Bailey from Hel On Heels blog. Today, last week's video was a little weird. We had an announcement about how I quit my job to start a business. It was kind of like a big reveal, but today we are back to your regularly scheduled content. Yes, so we are going to talk about how to depuff and decrease your under eye baggage. So the first product I want to talk to you about is Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is just a gel that you can put on right under your eyelids. I'm not going to do it right now because I have on makeup. But basically you're just going to put a little bit on your ring finger. Your ring finger is your weakest finger. So that's the one you want to use when you do anything under your eyes, because you're not going to be pulling as hard if you use your ring finger, which means you're not going to stretch your under eyes and you're not going to get wrinkles under there quite as much as if you were to use an index finger, which is really strong, or any other finger. So use your ring finger. And you're going to lightly tap underneath to pat it in and let it absorb into your under eyes. I love this. It has mixed reviews, I will be honest, but I really, really like it. I've been using this for years to help with my under eye dark circles and kind of decrease the puff. Okay, next up is my ice roller. I've talked about this on the blog a couple of times, but basically you have your choice with the one I'm gonna link. There's a metal option and then a plastic option. I literally just took these straight out of the freezer. They are cold. So both of those are a great option. I prefer the metal, and basically you pop it onto the holder, which I should have brought up here. You pop it onto the holder and you roll it all over your face. Now, I concentrate in particular on the under eye area to get my blood flowing and help with lymphatic drainage and kind of help decrease the puff under my eyes. I like the ice roller better than the jade roller. I just feel like it gets my blood moving so much quicker, so much faster, and so much more effective. So an ice roller is a great tool to help with the depuff under your eyes and any other puffiness or bloat you have going on in your face too. An ice roller is the trick to help get rid of it. Then my final product is a new one. Now, I don't know how many times I have talked about Glow Recipe on the blog. Like so many times. I've talked about the avocado sleeping mask. It's a little bit newer, but the watermelon sleeping mask I've been talking about for years. And I love both. I use them at different times, and you can look at my post on the differences, like I did a compare and contrast between the watermelon sleeping mask and the avocado sleeping mask. But either way, Glow Recipe is one of my favorite brands in the entire world. And they came out with an avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask. So it's a sleeping mask, but you can also wear it during the day if you want, but it contains retinol, so be careful with that. Some people are a little weird about retinol. I have no problem bringing it on, get it all over my face. So if you're gonna wear it at night, you just treat it like a sleeping mask. Don't pair it with any other eye cream. So if you're gonna use the Dr. Brandt's, like, do that later, do it in the morning, do it in the daytime. Don't pair this with another eye cream. Same situation, you're gonna do it with your index finger. No, not your index finger, your ring finger. You're gonna tap it and lightly pat it and apply. I'm not actually doing it, I have on makeup. To sink it in. Now the cool thing is the retinol is encapsulated. So it's going to release sporadically overnight. So it's gonna keep working while you're sleeping, which is so awesome. So it's gonna be working throughout the night to give you depuffed, beautiful, sleek under eyes that are not gross and baggy. You can also wear it during the daytime, but it does contain retinol, so make sure you wear a really, really, really good SPF. You can put it on and then put an SPF on, and you should be good to go. I don't wear it during the day because I have other things that I like to wear on my face, so I don't wear it during the day, I just wear it at night, but thank you, Glow Recipe. You're amazing. Y'all, it's 97 degrees in Atlanta. I'm dying. It's really hot in here. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of the products I mentioned, be sure to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. If you like this video, be sure to click subscribe or push the thumbs up button so I know what kind of content you are looking for. I share beauty, fashion, wellness, lifestyle, sometimes food, sometimes travel videos every Monday-ish. We got off a little bit there, but we are back on track. And I think that's it. I will see you next time. Bye, guys. From Hel On Heels, the blog. Oh, you done? You don't like the spotlight? You gotta be quiet, though. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Okay. All right. We're gonna do this video. You ready? Okay. Yeah. Okay. You gotta be quiet. This week we are back to your regularly scheduled content, so that's exciting. She does not like me doing this video.